Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Moen Smart Water Shutoff with Home app step by step clearly. To configure the Moen Smart Water Shutoff with the Home app, start by ensuring your device is properly installed and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Download the Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID or Google account. Once you're logged in, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Add Accessory from the menu that appears. The app will search for any nearby smart devices. Wait for the Moen Smart Water Shutoff to appear in the list. Tap on the Moen device once it appears. You may need to scan the HomeKit setup code located on the device. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the device to your Home app. Once added, you can assign the Moen device to a specific room in your home. To customize settings, tap on the device icon in the Home app. Here, you can set up notifications for water usage or leaks. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. After configuring, make sure to test the device for proper operation. To do this, manually activate the shutoff feature from the Home app. Confirm that the device responds correctly. Your Moen Smart Water Shutoff is now fully integrated with the Home app. You can manage your water usage conveniently from your smartphone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.